Hi folks, Elaine here with WTI. Are you looking to drink water as it should be? Because I've been loving this Frizzlife non-electric tankless reverse osmosis water filter. Frizzlife calls this their pioneering household mineral water machine, and I totally get why. It's like bringing a little mountain spring right into my kitchen. It gives you clean and crisp mineral balanced water without needing any electricity. No need to plug it in, which I absolutely love. It also has this tank-free design, so you get that real space freedom under your sink. This little thing is super powerful. It puts out a large filtration volume of 600 to 900 GPD. That's gallons per day. So plenty for a family of mine that drinks water nonstop. Another thing that surprised me is the 4-to-1 purified water to wastewater ratio. That's way more efficient than traditional systems. And the intelligent screen display on the front makes it super easy for someone like me to understand and see the filter life and the system status just by looking at it. Speaking of filters, maintenance is simple. You only replace the internal filter element, so there's no complicated parts or tools needed. And for peace of mind, the whole system is tested by SGS according to NSF-58 and 372 standards. And I have to mention, I love the sleek, slim design and that brushed silver modern look. It just feels premium. So, from my point of view, it was easy to install, the directions were clear, and the water tastes absolutely amazing. It's so delicious. You're gonna love it. But that's just my point of view.